A few states away in Michigan, compulsive hoarder Anne has also agreed to move forward with a major cleanup.
I would definitely have called it off, but this little voice in me said, this is not what you promised your daughters.
Good morning, everybody.
With a team of haulers ready to begin work, professional organizer Janet Kester lays out the ground rules for today's massive project.
I talked to Ann last night and we came up with some rules about what's going to be recycled, tossed, and kept. So I'm going to have this posted for everybody to see. If you have any questions at all, we need to defer to Ann, and she has the ultimate say-so.
Moving right.
I think everybody's doing a great job and everything, but I think there's just so much stuff, and until you got into it and really started cleaning it out, you don't realize how much stuff is actually there.
But as more and more of her belongings are pulled from the hoard, the further Anne removes herself from the task at hand.
She's sort of disconnecting from the process.